Hi, this is May's Design Corner, and I am doing a collab called the Summer Tier Tray, and it's a open collab, and is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. The co-hosts are May's Design Corner. Oh, that name sounds familiar. Oh, that's me. The Creole Crafter, Abby Dodd, Sandy's Home and Garden, Debby Bubbles, Sassou Glam Style, Joyful Decor by Denise. And you're to put the pound sign and tier tray 24, and they will pick up your video and add it to the playlist. So once again, I am doing a collab called Summertime Tier Tray, and it's an open collaboration. You're to make just decorate your tiered tray or trays for the summer and reveal. Okay, so I want to tell you to please go on down and check everyone's video out, because these ladies are working really hard. You must go and see them. They really put out some good stuff. And I tell you, these collaborations are very good. Join us. When you see how to do, then join us. Come on in and join us in. This is May's Design Corner, and I surely thank you for coming to see my summer tiered tray. So now I'm going to tell you a little something, then I'm going to move on and let you see what I've done on my tiered trays. I would like to ask you to please pray for someone else besides yourself, and always know that God is alive and well, and that this is His world. Yes, it is. And you don't have to fret about nothing, because God got it all in control. Okay, so now we're going to go up and see my summer tier tray. On my first tier tray, I have my teacups here, my gold and white teacups with the pink roses in it as well. And here I have my little bell that I can ring to let you know, hey, tea is on, tea is on, tea is on. This is my first tier tray that I've done with my bell and my teacups. Now, on my second tier tray here, I have my cupcakes here. These are fake cupcakes or faux cupcakes, and I have it decorated with my lace here and my little bowls here. This is my second tier tray. And when you go on up, you'll see my third tier tray here. I have a fake cake here decorated with berries on top, as you can see. And then around the edge, I have a decoration around the edge and ended it up with a bow. And let me show you that it is a tier tray. See? It's a 2-layer tier tray. I can remove the cake and you can see the tiered tray. And on the second level of the tiered tray, I have the blessed sign that I hauled from the Dollar Tree. Have one on that side and one on this side. Okay, so I'm going to place the cake back up there on the top. And there we are. I have 3 tiered trays, all decorated for your enjoyment. And on the side of each one, I have an ice cream sundae. And I also have my pink cups there. as well. And if you come around on the other side, I have an ice cream sundae as well in a pink cup. So these are my tiered tray for the summer tiered tray collab. I would like to thank once again Honor of the Grace Life DIY and Deborah Cabassa and all of those lovely, lovely, lovely co-hosts. Don't forget to go down and check out everything that they have done for you, for your pleasure, and for your enjoyment. This is May's Design Corner saying, please, please don't forget to pray for someone else besides yourself. For when you pray for others, blessings come down to you. May's Design Corner saying, adieu. God bless you and thank you again for this beautiful collab. Adieu.